Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a Amazon haul, and I'm going to actually be decorating the master bathroom. So this is the stuff that I actually bought for the bathroom. So the first one is this big huge box. Okay, so the first thing we have is this little thing. I'm not really quite sure like what's packaged in here. Oh no, they're so small. So I thought they were gonna be like these big jars. Look how tiny they are. They're so tiny. You know, recently I've been very disappointed with Amazon. I've actually returned like a few things, and I've never returned anything from Amazon, and in the past month I've returned 2 things. One was a pair of pants that didn't fit because they said something about the size or whatever, so I chose a size, and then I get them and they're like way too big. The second item was a video camera that I had bought for doing YouTube videos, and it was a nice camera and everything, but the video quality was just not that great, and the sound wasn't that great either. So currently I'm just using my iPad to film this right now because my iPhone is on charge because for some reason it decided to die. I'm so disappointed in these little things though. They're so tiny, but they're cute. It's supposed to be where you can put Q-tips, or you can put, you know, the cotton or face wipes or whatever you want to put in it. All right, let's put that aside. And the next thing that I got is shampoo and conditioner. And I love the shampoo and conditioner that have the pump heads on them, because it just makes it so much easier to just, you just pump and, you know. Peppermint shampoo hair blooming formula with 100% pure peppermint oil, and it has all these other vitamins and things in them. I got the conditioner to match. Oh, I just noticed something. So if you didn't like the pump, you can actually put the regular lid on it that has the cap. That's a good idea. Let's smell it. I want to smell it. It smells so good. It smells like peppermint. It's peppermint conditioner. Next, I bought, I'm not really sure what this is, because I bought a lot of stuff, so this is, oh, this is the stand. This is the stand that I got to go between the 2 mirrors on the countertop. So I guess this is like one of the bottom trays. Oh, I have to put this together. This is the other tray for the top. It's actually the perfect size because I didn't want a really big one, you know? That's what she said. All right, so next is this really big box. I can't remember what's in this one, so I'll be just as surprised as you guys. All right, let's see. Oh, so I bought some Degree deodorant. I got a twin pack. It's the ultra clear black and white. So it's supposed to be to where it doesn't actually show up on your clothes, because I have a huge problem with that. The next thing is I got Axe. I got the Phoenix version. I already smell it. It smells really good. And the next thing that I got is a 2-pack of bathroom hand towels. And if you haven't already guessed, well, I didn't really buy any of the other things that I was going to get. It's supposed to be like a beach theme. This is like a beach color. I still have like 2 more packages coming. It's supposed to be rugs to go underneath the bathroom on the floor, and then I bought some soap dispensers. Next payday, I'm gonna get some pictures and stuff like that to go on there as well. Oh, they're cute. They're actually really comfortable. They're cute. What I'm going to do is put the little shelf together, and then I'll go upstairs and show you the bathroom, and then I'll put everything in there and make it look pretty for you guys. And you'll see the end result. Literally, guys, this only took me 2 minutes to put together. So this is going to go in the middle of the 2 mirrors on the counter. You'll see what I mean in just a second. Okay, so right now, as you can see, this is the counter, and I'm going to put the organizer thing right there in the middle so that we can organize everything better. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead and cleaned off the countertops and made it look really nice. I also wiped off all the mirrors and all that stuff. Then I added on the hand towels, and I actually like them. They look really nice. And then I went ahead and put the little display thing in the center. It looks really good. Okay, so it fit perfectly in the middle, and now I'm getting ready to put the Q-tips and the cotton balls and everything in these little containers, and they're gonna go up there. And yeah, whenever you see this, it'll be the end result. Hey guys, so here is the end result. And if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.